How to change your birthday on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your birthday on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and here just click these 3 points in the bottom corner and then just click settings and here click account info and then just go down and here you will find this one, birthday. Just change it to anything you want and then just click save, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.